So let's discuss about Chomp operator that is used in Perl scripting. For explanation of Chomp operator, this is the operator that we have to always use when we are taking input in and working in Perl, right? It removes unwanted new line and fix formatting issues in output. So here, let me check first of all the present working directory. Then I have shifted to my directory desktop. I have listed out my files, and then I found that without using underscore chomp operator.pl, it is giving me the output in different manner, whether with using chomp operator.pl file is giving me different output. So let's see the script of both these files and understand the importance how it is happened, right? So if we see about chomp operator, it is like this, that it makes the string comparison properly and clean user and file input, right? For example, this is without using. Here we have not used any chomp operator. Simply we have considered three strings, right? And simply we are going to print it on the terminal without using chomp operator, right? So we are just splitting up the output with the tab string 1, string 2 and string 3, and in this way it is happening. Now with the chomp operator, how it is happening? Three strings we are having, we are applying chomp operator with every string, and after that we are printing these values, right? So what happens actually, the new line character which is after every string, Anju, then Bandari, then Gandhi, those got omitted, or though that new line character got deleted, or we can say removed from that string. So due to that very reason, we just observe that the output here is Anju, then tab Bhandari, and then Gandhi, right? Whereas in the other, without using, we are having the new line character /n/n, it is there, and due to that very reason, in without using, we are getting the output in that fashion in every line, and here we are getting in the same line, right? So in this way chomp operator can be discussed, and we should know, and it's a very good practice. If we will, whenever we are working in Perl, we should use it, right? So this is that we should always use the Perl character and all, fine. So these are the two Perl scripts we have. We have to save these Perl script using .pl because it's very much important. Without that, the script will not run, and we could not able to analyze that this is the PL script. Fine. So in this way, we have to execute it. Now, if we see that if to understand it more, let's just take another example. Like here, I have taken the input from the user using stdin, and I'm applying a chomp operator over it, and then I have to print the message. So the message got printed very simply, like Anju got inputted, and hello Anju message was got printed, right? But in spite of this, to understand it in better way, let us take the input from the user like Anju, and then I am comparing it, that what value that name variable is having, that is equal to Anju or not, and it has to print me match found. But if I execute it, I found that my output is Anju/n, which is not equal to Anju, because whenever I take the input from the user, automatically /n got attached, or you can say new line character got attached with the input, right? So due to that very reason, if I talk about the chomp operator, and I apply chomp, then $name, and then I am comparing Anju, name equal to Anju, then match definitely found, right? So in this happen, due to this reason, we should use chomp operator in Perl.